Hi, good evening. This is Friday, the 8th of November 2024, and it's the third outing on my 1977 Triumph T140 Bonneville after a recent rebuild. Literally everything out of the engine. The crank has been dynamically balanced, the sludge trap has been cleaned, the timing side bearing has been changed, the clutch and the stator rotor has been rebuilt, and I'm running her in. I'm not labouring the engine, I'm keeping the revs up, but I'm certainly not exceeding 45 miles an hour. In the engine rebuild we had new shells, we've had the crank tested, it didn't need any grinding or polishing, it was well within tolerance. The engineer responsible for the rebuilding has fitted new piston rings and the barrels have been honed. So I'm rolling on and off the throttle throughout this ride to try to avoid any glazing of the bores. Thanks for watching, ride safe everybody, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.